In August 2023, Westchester Country Day Schools Board began the strategic plan process to guide our growth and development as a school for the foreseeable future. We are excited to share with you today an overview of this plan as we strive to support students and faculty as they we can all say it together. As we think, do, learn, grow. I have lots of audience participation today, so bear with us. It is early, and we haven't been in school a full day for a long time. The first step in this process was to update our mission statement so that it was more succinct and memorable. But have no fear, you will still find the focus of our former mission statement in this plan. Our updated mission statement is
to cultivate responsible citizens and leaders by embracing all backgrounds and nurturing personal excellence.
The updated mission statement serves to provide a succinct focus that every student and staff can recall. Our former mission statement still exists in our center of gravity, which was the second step of our strategic planning. Our focus for each child is to prepare them for college, career, and community impact. Our center of gravity has two key areas.
First, we will stand out as a visionary institution preparing all students to flourish.
We prioritize the whole child, balancing moral, academic, artistic, and athletic excellence, and social emotional health.
Second, we will serve and support our local cities and communities in the Piedmont, Tri, and Carolina Core region.
And strive to be a visible and active leader.
This strategic plan enhances who we have always been and who we want to become. The 5 areas of focus are:
Area 1 is nurturing, learning, environment.
Second grade, come on down. Third grade, you're on deck. Awesome. 7th graders. Eighth graders.
Area 4 is financial stewardship.
And my 10th graders.
Area 5 is health and wellness leadership.
Awesome. Thank you.
Is an aspiration that requires continual improvement, WCDS will pursue advanced methods, spaces, and schedules to design the most effective and encouraging learning environments for students.
We will balance tried and true approaches with bold new methods.
Area 2, the best educators having the highest quality teaching, is a Westchester tradition that has existed since the school's founding more than 50 years ago.
WCDS will continue to attract and retain top teaching talent and provide professional learning that supports its educators in deepening the comprehensive preparation for college and life, a hallmark of the Westchester program.
Community mind purpose.
A
commitment to lifelong learning and personal development is about more than simply acquiring knowledge. It should be used to solve problems and serve others.
Westchester Country Day School will connect students, family, and faculty with unique opportunities to express their skills and talents.
Area 4, Financial Stewardship. As an independent school, Westchester enjoys the freedom and flexibility to teach and serve its students. Yet, as a nonprofit, it must also be a self-sufficient and responsible steward of its resources.
WCDS will ensure financial stewardship by modeling responsibility and fostering a spirit of generosity that leads to giving. This strategic plan will also guide our fundraising campaign in doing.
Area 5, Health and Wellness Leadership. The school motto, Mens Sana in Corpore Sano, a sound in body and a sound body, expresses the balance needed to pursue excellence and flourish.
WCDS will strengthen the social, emotional, and physical health and wellness of its students. Faculty and staff developing programs, promoting safely, and supporting connectedness and a sense of courage.
Thank you to all of our brave and courageous helpers. As we introduce the plan to the school community, you will start to see our materials take on a new look to add some excitement and buzz about where Westchester is headed in the future. The t-shirts you see our staff wearing today are just the beginning of that. Part of this project has included working with a local creative firm led by our very own Lori Hogan, who looked at the strategic plan, met with a group of faculty, parents, and alumni, and helped us refine the way we share our stories with families and the broader community around us. I'm excited to share this hot off the press video with you. We look forward to adding to our story with you all as we learn and grow together. After our students and faculty dismiss for Cares Crew Breakfast with Buddies, we invite our other guests to join us in the Wilson Center for a reception to celebrate the adventures ahead as we develop and enhance this strategic plan. Thank you to the Strategic Plan Steering Committee led by Christy Lee, our Board of Trustees, and our faculty representative, Frank Morelli, all of whom participated in listening sessions. To our seniors, as you navigate your last semester at Westchester, we have a bit of a strategic plan for you that your buddy will deliver to you at the breakfast this morning. It's to help you take advantage of all our Wildcat Nation has to offer as you finish strong and in a spirited way. Now, Mrs. Winstead will call Cares Crew's buddies, one crew at a time, down to meet in the middle area and go to Breakfast with Buddies with your buddy in the lower school classrooms.